Okay guys, time to taste the Ginisang Chayote or Sayote. Ito po ang kuha natin. Hello po, this is Jill Pinoy. Ngayon po magluluto po tayo ng sayote, ginisang sayote na may baboy. They call this chayote. Ayan yung chayote natin. Yan ang main ingredients. Tapos may karni ng baboy. Nandyan yung kamatis, bawang at sibuyas. We have patis or fish sauce. We have a salt in there for a little bit of taste. We have pepper and some chicken bouillon. So this is going to be an easy ginisang chayote stir fry. Let's get started. Okay guys, una po natin gagawin is to get the fat out of the pork. So kailangan magisa yan with the fat coming out of the meat. Kaya hindi na tayo gagamit ng oil. So we'll go ahead and let this cook and then let the fat or oil come out from the pork. Okay? So we'll be back. Okay, here you go guys. As you guys can see, marami na tayong fat na lumabas from the pork. So, this is enough to make our stir fry. We're gonna go ahead and throw in our garlic and onion together. Lagay natin yung onion saka garlic. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and lightly cook the onion and the garlic. Not that long kasi pag ilagay natin yung tomato, we're gonna have a lot of time to cook more of the garlic and onion. So we're gonna go ahead and throw in our tomato. Okay. And pork. Now this is when we have to cover it. Let's find the cover. So, i-cover po natin siya and let the tomato get cooked down. So, we'll be back maybe, lalagay ko siya sa medium heat. We'll be back maybe in 2 to 3 minutes para makita natin kung luto na po yung tomato natin. So, we'll be right back guys. Okay, that's about 3 minutes past, so we're gonna go ahead and check our tomato. See this part right here in the bottom? That's the best part. Okay, luto na ang tomato natin. So we're gonna go ahead and put a cup of water. So we're gonna go ahead and put a cup of water, guys, and then we'll put our fish sauce. I'm gonna use it all for it's not much, and then a little bit of pink salt, the Himalayan pink salt. Just to taste. We can always add some more later. And then ito pong black pepper. Depende na po sa inyo kung gusto nyo ng maanghang. Medyo maanghang. I just put right enough for everybody para makapag-eat naman ang lahat. Tapos yung chicken nor cube natin and nor powder as a flavor. Tapos ilalagay natin ito sa medium high. I'm gonna go ahead and scrape the bottom part of this pot para makuha natin lahat ng masasarap na flavor niya. After we brown the meat. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and cover this and cook it for another 10-15 minutes until the meat is nice and soft, and then we're gonna join our chayote or sayote. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, so here we have it. The consistency is good. Ngayon, tikman na natin kung if we have enough salt in there. Perfect. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw in our chayote. So, mind you, this one has a lot of liquid, this particular type of vegetable. So, when we cook it, there's gonna be a lot of liquid coming out. Okay? So, lulutuin natin yan for good maybe 15-20 minutes until yung gulay natin is nicely cooked. You guys can see the difference later. I'll show it to you guys after all these things are cooked. You will see a lot of liquid will be coming out of this. So let's go ahead and put back the cover and we will be right back. Balik po tayo ulit mamaya. Okay guys, let's go ahead and open it. Our final result here with the stir-fried chayote or sayote. Tingnan nyo, oh, ang dami ng sabaw na lumabas. Kasi itong sayote, marami siyang tubig. Kaya this chayote has a lot of liquid inside. So, it's kind of like a watermelon thing. But, tingnan natin if it's cooked. Let's cook. Luto na po siya. Time for taste test. Kainan time. So, there you have it guys. Chayote. Stir-fried chayote. Tikman na natin. I'm gonna go ahead and put some in this bowl. Konti lang. Kasi it's 8. I don't normally eat at 8 at night. And let's try it. Okay guys, time to taste the ginisang chayote or sayote. Ito po ang kuha natin. And I'm gonna go grab my sriracha because I like spicy food. A little bit of sriracha. That's not a little bit, that's a lot, but spicy food is yummy. Natin kasi I haven't cooked this for a while. One of my friend have a garden on the backyard, and he shared this with us. So I cooked some for home, and I'm gonna share the rest to co-workers at work tomorrow. So taste test. Yum. Vegetable is always good. Brings back memory nung bata pa kami sa Pilipinas, and when my mom was living here in Hawaii, she used to cook this a lot for us. So hopefully I was able to mimic the way she cooked her chayote, stir fry chayote, chayote. Ay, sarap. It absorbs all the flavor. So if you guys want to try this recipe, it's really simple. Chayote, garlic, onion, tomatoes, salt, pepper, fish sauce, and a little bit of Knorr powder. Or if you have the Knorr chicken cubes, you can do that too. Just a little bit, just to taste. But other than that, simple, easy stir fry sayote or chayote. Ginisang Sayote. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha, salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood na ka-Pilipino, kababayan sa Pilipinas o sa buong mundo. Aloha, much mahalo. God bless.